This is Anu, a subscriber I met in Boston to help him step out of his comfort zone and show you that you can talk to anyone. You're watching the 39th episode of the Social Animal Subscriber Challenge. Enjoy.
Hi guys, you look very cute. I really like your style. What's your name? Where's the accent from? Nice to meet you.
Today I'm with Anu. For the first time in the Social Animal, I'm staying with a subscriber. So this is nice.
I'm Anu. I'm originally from India. I'm 39 years old. I'm a medical professional.
Why do you want to do the challenge today?
Just to kind of open myself up to the possibility of meeting new people. You know, I have a lot of good experiences whenever I met people randomly, interesting people, and some of them became very good friends. Some of them turned into relationships. So, but there's still a little bit barrier for me to talk to strangers just without a context. So I want to open myself up to that.
Okay.
I mean, start overthinking that how will you affect them, and then worrying about are you bothering someone. But my experience has been it is never that. People they like to interact, but still, you know, when you start thinking too much, you're gonna get stuck in that loop.
Okay. Any last words before we start?
Let's get outside.
Okay,
Yeah.
let's do it.
Let's do it.
Hi guys, how are you? I just saw you. I think you looked really cute, so I want to say hello.
Thank you. Hi.
What's your name?
Yeah,
Nice to
hi.
meet you guys. Yeah, how's your morning going for you guys?
Good. Yeah, just catching up. Yeah.
Yeah, catching up. Did you guys live around here?
Yeah, in Boston. Yeah.
In Boston.
Yeah.
Okay. I'll let you guys catch up. Would you like to get a coffee sometime?
I actually have a boyfriend. I'm sorry.
Oh, okay, no problem. Yeah, nice to meet you. Have a great one.
Yeah, you too. Have a good day.
You too.
Okay, Anu. So first interaction, that's good. That's great. So how did that go for you? How did you feel about
I think it went well. I think the first time I talked to two people sitting at the same time,
Okay.
but they were both super nice.
Okay.
They said they're catching up, and I think I kind of wanted to get out of it.
Okay. One thing I noticed, you asked them, are you from around here?
Yeah.
Which I think, this kind of question, I think that if the question happens organically in the
Yeah.
conversation, like it makes sense. But here, I felt that this question kind of had nothing to do with the
with
moment
it,
you're
yeah.
in. You could have asked them, what they were doing today, if they had plans. You could have asked them if they haven't seen each other in a long time, if they're college friends. There's so many things you could have asked that were more pertinent to like the moment you were in. And I just see this as like it's just a symptom of anxiety,
So I think at certain point, I did feel my heart race just a little bit for a second.
Okay.
Yeah, I think my concern is maybe I'm smiling too much.
No, I don't think that's.
good thing I should.
I don't think that's. There's concerns, but that's not one of them.
Hi. Hello.
Hi.
I just saw you. How are you? You look very cute. Just want to say hello.
Oh, thank you very much. I'm good. How are you?
Good. What's your name? I'm Anu. Where is that name from?
How does it sound?
Middle Eastern. No.
Turkish?
Turkish, okay. Yeah, how long you been here?
2 weeks.
2 weeks. You just arrived in Boston.
Yep.
Oh, nice. What brought you here?
Work.
Oh, work. Okay.
Startup.
You said startup? You have your own startup?
As a matter of fact, I do.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
I'm actually going to be seeing a friend soon, but I would love to take you out for dinner sometime.
Oh, thank you. Very flattering. But I'm not really dating right now.
Okay.
But
No worries. Yeah,
appreciate
nice to
it.
meet you.
Yeah, very nice to meet you.
Yeah. Hi, how are you? I just saw you there. Looks like you. Sorry, you look really cute. So I just want to say hello.
Oh, thank you. I'm just waiting on my friend.
What's your name? Yeah, you guys just shopping around?
Yeah, I'm just waiting for her.
Okay. So, just wanted to say hello. All right, nice to meet you. See you next time. Okay. Also, I think my energy was just off. In this
Yeah, your energy was a bit off, but when you give a compliment, there is a part of the compliment that's kind of like you giving the information, but you're not giving an information, you're giving an emotion, right?
Yeah.
So, I'm not talking about this case particularly, but I'm just saying like when you give a compliment, if the person in front of you is not smiling, that means you just gave them a data point. You just let them, you find them attractive, but like no one cares about that. You should make them smile,
Yeah. Excuse me. Excuse me. Hi. How are you? I just saw you walking. I thought you looked really cute, so I just want to say hello.
Oh,
Yeah.
yeah.
What's your
Sorry,
name?
I have a boyfriend.
Oh, that's okay. Don't be sorry. Anyways, have a great day.
Try to feel like you're talking to someone that
You know, yeah.
that you already know.
I think, yeah, no, I get what you're saying. Yeah. Okay.
That's good. But good that you went, and you know, keep,
nothing
keep
bad.
moving forward.
Nothing bad happened.
Exactly.
Hey guys, how are you?
Good, how are you?
Good. You look very cute, so I want to come and say hello.
Oh. That's so nice of you.
What's your name? Anu?
Nice to meet you. We're both in relationships.
Oh, you're in a relationship. So that's nice. Yeah. But still, you know, I just saw you. I thought you guys look nice. So you guys having a good day?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a beautiful day.
Beautiful.
Yeah, such a nice day. Such a nice weather. I'll let you guys do it, but nice to meet you. It was good.
And
Yeah.
I see you were pretty relaxed.
Yeah, because the girl was really attractive.
You came very smoothly.
Yeah.
They were like really nice.
And I think the girl was really cute, and I think again, if you feel natural, then it's easier.
Yeah.
Hi, how are you?
Good, thank you.
Good. I just saw you. You look very cute, so I thought I'll come and say hello.
Oh, hi.
What's your name?
My name is Karen.
Where's the accent from?
France.
Oh, from France. Okay, are you?
From?
Guess where I'm from.
Yeah.
Yes. Yes. You're good with your guesses. Yeah. Are you visiting Boston or online? I live here. Yeah. Which part of Boston? I work. Yeah. How do you like Boston compared to France?
It's really different, but I like it.
Yeah.
It's nice.
France, I've been to Chamonix. That's like,
Chamonix.
yeah.
Did you really go there?
I did, yeah. Would you like to get a drink sometime?
I don't know.
Just like a casual, coffee or drink, yeah?
Why not?
All right.
I live in Midtown.
Midtown.
It's in the south. Far from Quincy.
Oh, okay. Okay, I'll text you.
Okay.
Okay. All right, nice to meet you. Yeah, I'll see you later. Have fun with your friend. That was good, but easy. Yeah.
At the beginning, you kind of contextualize,
Mm-hmm.
which kind of removes the genuine energy from you. Instead of saying, "Hey, you're so cute," how are you? The biggest challenge I see right now is just the energy is too formal.
Okay.
You talk to people like, it's normal, they're strangers, and you talk to them like strangers. But I try to talk to them more like friends. Especially when you give it a compliment, it should be. It should be genuine, and it should be you're very, when you say to someone you're very cute, you're really owning what you're saying.
Mm-hmm.
But when you say I just think you're cute, it's a bit
like,
cold.
It's like you're telling it, but at the same time you're diffusing it.
Yeah, you're diffusing it, and you're saying it from a very data point perspective.
Excuse me. Hi. You're really cute. Just want to say hello.
Oh, thank you.
How's your day been?
It's good. How's yours?
Good. What's your name?
Sorry, I do have a boyfriend.
Oh, no problem.
Sorry.
Yeah. Nice to meet you. Have a great one.
Well, you too. Thank you.
Yeah, I noticed a huge difference.
Yeah.
She smiled, she even giggled.
Yeah.
I thought it was so much better.
Yeah.
So but did you feel it or?
I did. Yeah.
She was like, oh, it wasn't
It's not like a robot.
I want to let you know, you are beautiful.
Hey, stop making fun of me.
But okay, that was good. Let's keep going.
Excuse me. Hi, how are you?
Good, thanks.
Good. I really like your style. Do you want to say hello? What's your name? Manu.
Hi,
Nice to meet you. How's your weekend going?
Good, I work.
Yeah. So busy day.
Yes.
Yeah. What kind of work do you do?
I work at a gallery. Modern art.
Modern. Yeah. So are you going back to home now? Or you? Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, you look really spent probably for the day.
Yeah, I'm really tired.
Yeah. Well, let's get a drink sometime.
No Thank you.
You're welcome. That was okay.
I think that's good.
Yeah.
I think you're right there. I think that you're definitely much more
Easy.
much less anxious, much more fluid, I would say, than earlier. And I think you're right. I think you're right there. How was today?
Clearly the worst day of my life. No, it was a good day. That was good interactions. I think I like that I did not hesitate much. Whenever I found someone attractive, I approached. And I think most of the interactions went pretty good. You gave me some tips here and there which were helpful to just kind of relax a little bit. But yeah, I think most people are nice. Yeah, I don't think anyone gave anything negative. I think everyone was appreciative. So when I kind of paid attention, I think it's important to focus on what the other person is saying, and not just be in your head so much. And you're talking to people definitely helps with that. Also, just kind of have a little bit more relaxed vibe.
Yeah.
But I think as the day kind of goes by, you kind of get into that a little bit more.
Yeah.
And I hope to continue that in future.
Do you have anything to tell people who are watching?
Go for it. I think it's a great skill to have to be able to talk to people that you want to, not just women, also men. It's important for your career. It's important for your life, to be able to express yourself.
Cool. Any last words?
I think we saw Shanghai. It was really good city.
Yeah, so the joke is that Anu wants to keep a little bit of anonymity, and so he's joking that we're in Shanghai. If you enjoyed the video, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, share it with your friends, and let me know your thoughts in the comments. As always, my email is ruben@socialanimal.us, so if you want to chat, if you want to work with me, and especially if you want to do the challenge, shoot me an email. I'm going to be in LA for the next 2 weeks, so if you're around, definitely hit me up. That's it for today. See you next time.